This axle cover kit is for trucks without the required number of exposed threads above the lug nut. So for this installation, we're going to remove 2 lug nuts and use the metal washers to hold the hub cover in place. First, we install the rim protector around the 10 nuts, and then the hub cover, and then 2 special washers. Note there's a flange on the washer. That flange goes towards the wheel. There's a cutout in the washer too, and there's a notch in the cap that lines up with the cutout. Reinstall the 2 lug nuts. Torque the lug nuts to 400 to 450 foot-pounds. Next, install the 10 push-on nut covers. Visit uptruckparts.com for more information on these axle covers and other product videos.